Hi Libra, welcome to your reading. I hope that you're doing well as we're going through quite the transformational process with this eclipse energy and Pluto. A lot of changes going on right now. A lot of energy is even changing. Time is speeding up. Anyway, this is a message for Sun, Moon, or Rising in the sign of Libra. Please keep in mind these are general messages, so take what resonates for you, leave the rest. Try not to build a story if it's not resonating for you. Check with your, Moon or Rising sign. Obstacles and detours. Oh, obstacles are detours in the right direction. Okay. So, Libra, finding yourself, working yourself around some obstacles, eh? Let's see what energy is working with us in this reading right now. So you may be onto something. You may be like sensing, you may be picking up on the signs and synchronicities that, something that you've been anticipating or working towards is here, yet you're finding yourself being detoured and many delays and obstacles falling in your path. That is because of Pluto. We are still learning what triggers certain things within us. We're learning about ourselves. So we have Mars and the Sun. Okay. Mars energy, forward movement. Mars is that drive, that energy to keep moving forward. Defend self. This also could be your defenses maybe up a bit. And then we have the Sun, which is about your self-expression, embodying your truth. It's our life force energy from the Sun itself. Okay, one more. So as you're moving forward or attempting to move forward through the obstacles and challenges, know that you are being detoured into the right direction for yourself. Even though you can't see what's going on, what you want to happen is not happening, or it's getting pushed in this direction. Just follow the breadcrumb trail right now, Libra. Trust. Okay. What do you need to release? Balance spirituality with practicality. Okay. So that's what I was kind of picking up with this defensiveness, especially. There's some sort of either a perspective, a mindset. There's something that you need to release, Libra. Could be a judgment, a negative, like this is never going to happen, or just there's something you need to release. There are obstacles, but they are detouring you into the right direction. Trust this. All right, what else can we get for Libra here? You are on the quest of healing your past, but it's also about speaking your truth, expressing yourself, moving forward with the energy. Imagination. I embrace and nourish the creative aspect of my mind. It's important to tap into the imagination. Maybe you were told, you're too much in, you've got an overactive imagination. There's a lot of obstacles that really mentally can disempower us. Maybe that's what you need to release. The imagination is a good thing. This is how we create change. Create our desires. It's important to tap into that aspect of yourself. Health. I honor the physical vessel that enshrines my soul. Okay. It's important to also pay attention to your physical health. You are going through a growth period right now. And we have friendship at the bottom. So there may be a specific someone in your life right now that is helping you out here. And helping you out could be through some challenges, some obstacles. Maybe this person got into your head a bit much. Focus on, you may be purging toxins, clearing out the body, getting yourself back into shape, getting healthier, growth. I want to expand my consciousness and my awareness. Okay. You want to be able to get to a point where you're flowing with life, where you're trusting your spiritual path is your life path. Doesn't mean you have to become a monk and live in a cave and go out in the woods and meditate all day. It just means to really be tapped into life itself. It speaks to us all the time through everything and everyone. Okay. Libra. Why is imagination here? I love that the sun is out here, so you may be actually tapping into your imagination. Throat chakra, self-expression, back to the sun. How do you express yourself, Libra? Are you fully engaged in expressing all of your creativity? Are you nourishing the creative aspects of your mind? By your expression. Health, spiritual strength. Okay. That's an interesting one. So Spirit's working with you to even help you get your physical vessel back into, I feel like we're all going through these energetic shifts right now, big changes, physically as well as mentally, emotionally, energetically. And because the body is going through these energetic shifts, it's important to drink lots of water, listen to your body, pay attention to your body. Self-care is important here. Because we, going through the spiritual journey, we get put through some twists and turns that can really bring our stress level up really high. We've got solar activity that's, changing our sleep patterns, and there's just so much changing here. Triumphant success. So you are expanding. This is beautiful. You're expanding your consciousness and your awareness. This is, you're getting a lot of clarity on your journey right now, which is beautiful, Libra. We have discontent and boredom below friendship. So there could be, maybe you're not connecting with people right now because you're on this growth journey at this time. Or the people that you are surrounded by, you're just not vibing, you're not feeling it anymore. We'll get a little deeper into that. For Libra, what's going on with Libra? What are these obstacles all about? What's going on with Libra? Ten of Swords. You've been in your mind too much. Way too much. And these are what are called samskaras. These are all the implanted beliefs, thoughts, patterns by others, by parents, by society that rule your operating system for so long that it's made it really difficult for you to be fully transparent, authentic, and express that aspect of you. As well as making it really difficult to get in touch with your imagination. Embrace that creative aspect of yourself. Maybe you're getting a good dose of like what kind of negative self-talk you really have going on within you. I mean, look at them. That's just like rock bottom in the head. It's just like driving me mad. Come on with Libra. And this is just an aspect of your life, mind you. But this is an aspect that you are experiencing some obstacles and challenges. Princess of Wands in reverse. The very fact that it's difficult for you to fully trust yourself and trust that you are the writer, the author of the story, to have that strength, that free spirit, the courage to just go about life on your own terms. Self-confidence. I see free spirit, but in reverse. You've been restricted, maybe a bit rigid, too much in mind. Too much in the mind. Maybe a friend is trying to help you bust out of there. 5 of Cups in reverse. Still dwelling on what has been lost, what you do not have. These may be realizations. Can I get one more? Okay, 5 of Swords in reverse. Okay, the World. Okay. Wow. All right, Libra. Oh my. 7 of Cups below that. I feel like you've kind of come to the point where you're like down on your knees begging Spirit, please. You may have visions of somebody or something that just won't leave you alone, and you just can't seem to figure out how to get there, and it's enough. But now we have the World. This is the completion of some really hard cycles and reviewing all of life's journey so far up to this point. Reviewing, a life review while you're still here alive, of the cosmic flow of energy that you have participated in, the dance of life itself. I see that you're surrendering to the mind, which will help with your growth process, expanding your consciousness, your awareness as to what has disempowered you, kept your spirit trapped in a box. All of these things are being shown to you. Are you paying attention? Or, yeah, I don't see, that was another, okay. Disregard that one. For Libra. We sabotage ourselves a lot because we get in our own way. We're in our heads way too much. Magician. Alchemy. Using our own power when we finally come into balance within ourselves. When we have faith and trust in the universe, in God and Source. In ourselves. When we're not blaming anyone, we see the cosmic mirror. We are working, co-creating with life, and that brings us to our fulfillment, our love, our happiness, our joy. Four of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, 7 of Wands. As you go through this growth period. There's something important to remember. There's something that you've been so attached to and unable to release and let go all the way. And it has to do with your Mars energy, your forward movement in life. I feel like you've been so concerned with other people, their opinions on you, and how they're going to react and respond to you. You could have had assumed responsibilities with other people that this no longer meets any of your needs. But this is the realization. This is the truth that is coming up, Libra. I hope that you're able to pick up on this and see. Four of Cups in reverse. That's just telling me that you've been sulking and kind of like almost giving up, like not paying attention to the signs and the gifts that the universe is bringing in. Being able to feel the gratitude for what is and what could be. So let's get you some advice, Libra. I feel like these are deep realizations that are coming to the surface for you now. Showing you, asking you, what do you need to release? Spirit is asking you to balance this new consciousness and awareness with your day-to-day practical life. Meaning, walk in love. See Spirit, God, Source in everything and everyone. Every moment of every waking hour that you're here. You're engaging with the divine. See yourself in everyone and everything. This is what it means to be enlightened. This is a whole new playing field when you get to this stage. For Libra. Advice for Libra, please. And if you are liking this video, Libra, please, if you would not mind taking the time to click that thumbs up like button for me. I greatly appreciate all of you who do. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe as well. Thank you for everyone who takes the time to do so. I really, truly, greatly appreciate it a lot. So let's get your advice for you, Libra. Opening to discovery. We tune in to information from our outer environment, then assign meaning to it within our psyche. Every day, however, the amount of data we sort through exceeds what we're capable of processing. Especially since the advent of the internet, we have been bombarded with more than we could ever hope to absorb. Therefore, it's important to be mindful of what we expose ourselves to. Consistent exposure to unhealthy messaging invites us into a cynical, fear-based worldview. On the other hand, conscious exposure to information supporting our well-being shifts us towards growth and expansion. The choice, though, is not always obviously ours, which is why we must be discerning on a daily basis. The universe is always engaging us. We are a part of it, after all, through synchronicities, omens, and other signs that point towards our best path. Our intuition helps us tune in and see our environment like an oracle. However, this new information doesn't always make sense right away, so be curious and non-resistant is the key to learning. Today, be open to receiving important information that may come from an unusual source. The universe wants to help you, but recognizing the way this aid will arrive depends on your willingness to shut out noise. Maybe you need to take a break from social media, from gossip, or the news. Don't let yourself get distracted. Listen without attachment and see what arises in your life. Expect a message from the universe, and you shall have it. Well, I think that sums it up here. So that is what I have for you this week, Libra. I hope that this was helpful for you. I'm sending you out so much love. Take care. Bye.